At first glance, it looks harmless. Just lines on paper, just borders, just a map. But this single document has shaped wars, alliances, and betrayals for over a century. May 1916, two diplomats, Mark Sykes and Francois-Georges Picot, sat in a London office with rulers and colored pencils. They weren't drawing art, they were carving up the Ottoman Empire. The red line went to Britain, the blue to France. Everything else they'd figure out later. They had never set foot in these lands, never spoke to the people who lived there. Communities that had traded together for centuries were suddenly split by invisible borders. Ancient enemies were forced into the same new countries. What followed wasn't chaos by accident, it was inevitable. Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Palestine, all born from this map. The uprisings, the endless conflicts, the power struggles we see today, they all trace back to two men with pencils deciding the fate of millions. Maps don't just show the world, they decide it.